Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today I will show you an easy way to create amazing AI video with Google Flow. Google Flow is Google AI video creation tool that lets you generate cinematic video using simple text prompt. You just describe the scene and the AI creates the video for you. If you are using the free plan, you can get 50 credits every day depending on the model you choose. Those 50 credits can generate a few shorts 8-second videos. Once your daily credit are used, you will need to wait for them to refresh or upgrade your plan for more generations. So let's start the video generation. Open web browser, go to Google search, type Google Flow, hit enter, click on first link, Google Flow. Google Flow official website is open. Click on create with Google Flow. Now you can log in through Google account. Now I am sign in as Google account. Experience and shape AI tool for creativity. Click next. Review our privacy policy. Scroll down to end. Click continue. Click on new project. Untitled session. You want to create a new session. Click on this option. You can generate a video. You can put the prompt here. Go to characters. You can build and reuse character for consistent video. Use a sample prompt below. Go back. Click scenes. You can drop the media to start creating. So now I am going to generate video for 8 seconds. For lion walking in the jungle. To generate a prompt for this video, I am going to help with ChatGPT. Open another tab. Type ChatGPT. Hit enter. Click on first link, ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is open. Click new chat. Click login. Click continue with Google. Now I am sign in as Google account. Type create a professional Google Flow prompt for an 8-second AI video. The topic is a lion walking in the jungle. Hit enter. Now prompt is generated. Select this prompt. Copy this prompt. Go to Google Flow. Paste the prompt here. Hit enter. It asks this video generation cost is 12 credits. Go to profile. I have 50 Google Flow credits. It's refreshed daily basis. Click close. Click approve. Now video is generating. It will take some time. Now video is generated. Click on video. Click play. Click on download. Click show in folder. Here it is the downloaded video. Let's right click on it. Open with media player. Close media player. Close downloads. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to use Google Flow Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.